Hey guys, you're back here with Credit Connector. Remember, this channel is about you guys. I'm here to empower you guys, to show you how to understand your credit, how to fix your credit, and how to go out there and leverage that credit. Also, I'm still dropping my VIP mentorship. We got close already to 300 mentees. We are going to start going live. Plus, we have a lot of information in the classroom for free. And also, guys, if you have any friends, your relatives that don't speak English, send them to my Spanish channel. In this video, what we're going to talk about is how to not get your credit card shut down. Okay, and it happened to me. So I basically got 2 credit cards shut down with Bank of America for not knowing what I'm going to tell you guys today. The first credit card that I got shut down, and mind you, both of these credit cards, I've been with Bank of America over 10 years. I have 2 business accounts with Bank of America with money in there, and I have 1 personal checking account. Okay, so they're not playing games. The first card that I got shut down with them was and this was on December 31st, now 2024. I received an email saying that me or somebody joined on my account closed my credit card. I thought it was kind of weird. I went into the app and it was locked. I couldn't get in. Finally, I called and they basically said that the reason why they closed my $20,000 credit line that I only owe like $550. I've never been over leveraged. I've never been late. I've never had nothing shady going on, was because they have a policy which I did not know, and they gave me no warning that I could not add more than 5 authorized users. Okay, basically I had my kids from like 3-4 years ago sitting there. I had my uncle, I had a friend of mine, and I think I had added my mom at some point. Well, this month or last month in December, I added 3 people. Actually, somebody that just got to this country not that long ago, and 2 other friends of mine that I wanted to help them build their credit. I've never charged anybody to become an authorized user or nothing like that shady. It was just basically to extend credit and to help other people with their credit journey. I explained the situation. They went back and they're like, you know what, we're sorry. It's a shame. You've been a great customer, your history, but that is the policy. Once it's closed, you can reopen it. You can apply again, but we cannot reopen the same account. So, yep. So to make things worse, again Today is the 2nd of January 2025. Boom, I get another email. Now I see another card closed. I know that is my business credit card with them. Mind you, this LLC, this business has been around since 2008. So that credit card must be probably 15 years old. I had a credit limit, I believe, of $24,000. No, $26,000. And I only owed them $5,000 and something dollars. Okay, again, never been over leveraged, never had a late payment, never. This is a corporate card. I call them, they look into it. We're sorry, but we had looked into your account, and on this one I only have 1 person added as an authorized user, and it was just somebody that that runs my business, so they can have access, because you cannot, even if I put them on my business credit card, it's not going to report. It's not going to do anything to them. So they were like, we looked at the account. We're sorry. And boom, closed over $45,000 within a couple of days with no warning, guys. The reason why I'm telling you this is I know a lot of you guys are out there selling, your, between $500 to $2,000, and it's not worth it. Imagine, I wasn't selling mine. I was trying to help out people build their credit in the credit space. So this is completely crazy. Now what I feel like doing is going and closing all my accounts with them. My 2 business accounts and my checking account, because I've been a loyal customer, and it's in their policy where they don't have to tell me, or they don't have to give me a warning. By law, they do have to send me a letter stating why. If not, they can be in hot water and I can turn around and sue them. At this point, I'm going to look at all my options. I do have a friend that, he does sue the credit bureaus and the banks and all that, and he's very successful at it. So that's one option I might take, because now this is going to hit my credit. You know, I believe that credit card on the personal side, which was a Spirits card, so you guys know, that credit card is going to bring me down in the length of time of history that I had. So it's going to drop my credit somewhat, you know, and I'm going to lose the age that I had on that. So yeah, it is going to affect my credit. So I'm going to see all my options. But what I want to tell you guys again is banks are getting very strict. They don't have to tell you what their rules are. So if you're going to do something that you're not sure, like I never thought that there would have been, because at the end of the day, even if I have 20 people on my credit, I am the one that controls it. I am the only one that's responsible. So I guess they saw it as a fraud, as that I was trying to do something shady, again, because people do sell their authorized user. So unless you're putting somebody that has the same last name or the same address as you do, be very careful, because there are those laws with the abuse laws as well, which I knew that it existed, that sometimes when you put somebody and they don't have the same address or the same last name, it might show up in their credit, but they might not get all the benefit from it. But I didn't know that, you know, they would close an account for that, actually. And I'm in the credit space. So I guess it's a lesson. And I think it's a great video. I hope a lot of people see this video. Share it with your coworkers, your families, because you don't know what you don't know. Guys, like, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment. Join my free mentorship. You guys can get in there for free now. We have so many information in the classrooms, and we're just building out more and more. You're getting all this info right now for free. Remember, I am not an attorney and I do not give legal advice. This is just basically so we can learn from each other, and anything I talk about my channel, always go out there and do your due diligence, okay? Until next time with Jackie and Credit Connector. Bye-bye.